Okay, one last chance to join my 8-week live backend developer program. It's been like 2 weeks. I opened enrollment for my live classes. I've got hundreds of emails and messages. Some people are saying I'll join tomorrow. Some people are saying I cannot afford it. Some people are saying I'm still thinking about it. Some people are even saying I'll join the next batch. And on the other hand, a lot of serious learners have already joined this program. So for the people who are still thinking of joining or not, I want to tell you something. This program can actually change the way you think about the software development. I've seen so many people. I've taught over 100,000 students on Udemy, on rathank.com, on techwithrathan.com. Overall, I think it's almost 100,000 plus students. I'm not counting YouTube students because I cannot count it. But I'm counting Udemy, rathank.com, techwithrathan. Overall, I think it's almost 100,000 or over 100,000 students I've taught, and thousands of students have already got the job in big tech companies. So I know the experience of how the beginner developer thinks. What is the problem with them, right? Because I also was a beginner developer when I was learning, right? You see, so many people, even you, watch a lot of tutorials. But when it comes to build your own application, own project, you will freeze. You can't even write a single line of code. I know it happened with you and it happened with me. It happened with all of the developers out there. Not because you don't know the syntax or you learned the wrong way, but because you don't know how to think like a real software developer. That's exactly what I'm going to fix in this 8-week live backend developer program. You'll not only learn Django or DRF, you'll learn how to build, how to debug, and most importantly, how to think like a real backend engineer. So the live batch starts tomorrow. There's not even one day left. Once we start, the enrollment closes. So if you're serious about becoming a software developer, this is the best decision that you can make for yourself right now. So many serious aspiring software developers have already joined this program. Now it's your turn. Don't wait too much. The enrollment is going to close in just a couple of hours. So join now. The link is in the description. I'll see you live.